Hi, my name is Ritu Batra. I belong to Delhi and I am having MS for the past 15 years. And I am in fact grateful to MSSI Society, who in fact recommended that I should get physiotherapy sessions on a daily basis or thrice a week or whatsoever as per the condition. And I'm glad to have Mr. Akbar Naqvi as my physiotherapist, who comes 3 times a week to give me the sessions. And I'm very happy with the sessions. They are part and parcel of my life, and I highly recommend the people who are MS patients to get in touch with their physiotherapists and take the adequate therapies. They are indeed helpful. I thank Mr. Naqvi from the core of my heart for the exercises what he in fact has advised me to do. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I want to thank my family for taking care of me, supporting me and understanding me in my MS. They always support me and take care of me in every situation of MS and all the way or whenever I was feeling low and suffering from MS. So I really want to thank both my husband and my daughter and my son who is in Bombay. So thank you so much and love you all.
We love you too. Mwah.
Hello everyone. At the outset, I would like to congratulate each and everyone associated with multiple sclerosis. A very happy and vibrant World MS Day. I would like to thank each and everyone associated with multiple sclerosis, be it doctor, therapists, caregivers, helpers, or volunteers. Each and everyone carries an important place in anyone suffering from the multiple sclerosis. Their help is beyond recognition. Their duty beyond self cannot be left unidentified. They are the ones who are even leaving their family members to help the someone in need. I salute their efforts, and they have even gone beyond the call of their duty to help each and everyone suffering from multiple sclerosis during these times of pandemic also. I would also like to thank the Multiple Sclerosis Society International as well as Multiple Sclerosis Society of India, and especially the Delhi chapter, who have been instrumental in giving me the support right from the day I've been diagnosed with multiple sclerosis. I would urge each and every one of us to be supportive of each other in whatever capacities we can. It will help us to establish a very wonderful and strong community. I am sure we can do this. And I would like to say that's the only mantra for healing from MS would be to stay positive. Just remove the negative thoughts out of your mind. Keep yourself indulged in some or the other activity, and you will sail high. Thank you so much.
People who have been very important in my journey with MS. My family, especially my mom, who is one person very strict and always take my ass when I fall down, and that's not because she doesn't love me. She wants me to stand up and start working again. Yai, who pampers me with her food and take care of me on a daily basis. My kids, one is sitting right here, she's Chahat, and my son who's down with COVID, he's not here. And my doctors, Dr. Rohit Bhatia, Dr. Ritu Sethi, and Dr. Akbar Naqvi, who is also my friend and also looks after my walking and my disability on a daily basis. So thank you so much. This is my special thank you to all these people who are part of my family and very close to my heart. Thank you.
मैं संजय चुग मैं, मेरी वाइफ अनीता चुग और मेरे दोनों बच्चे हीरल और गौरव चुग का बहुत धन्यवाद प्रकट करता हूँ कि उन्होंने मेरी इस बीमारी में सर्वाइव करने के में बहुत मदद करी और मेरे को हर पल सहयोग किया। दूसरा, मैं MSSI सोसाइटी दिल्ली का बहुत आभारी हूँ। उनकी स्कॉलरशिप की वजह से मैं मेरे बेटे गौरव चुग को पढ़ाने में सफल हो सका हूँ और बहुत अच्छे 12th क्लास में वो पहुँच गया है।
Myself Tanu Dubey, and it was my 30th birthday, and boom, and I was diagnosed with MS. It was very shocking, but with support of my family, my friends, everyone there, the shock gone within few months. I would thank my family, my friends, and my pets, either a cat or a dog or a puppy, everyone, every pet. I would like to thank them. I would like to thank my spiritual teacher who helped me to connect to God spiritually, and would like to thank my garden, the plants, the flowers, the leaves, everyone, either even even the non-living thing. I would like to thank everyone who supported me in either way, and last but not the least, the MSSI, without whom I could not find that I am not the only one. There are many individuals, many souls like me who are finding the way, who are fighting with MS. Thank you, MSSI. Happy World MS Day.